Cause you know you're my miracles. Thank you for watching. Thank you for 1 million pesos. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Good morning, Langga. Hello, here you go again. Kumusta kayo dyan, Langga? Okay naman kami dito. Salamat sa pagbisita. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Taga Cebu ka, di ba? No, I'm not. Hindi ako taga Cebu. Bicolana me. I'm Bicolana. I am Bicolana. I'm not a Cebuana. Cause you know you're my miracles. Orago ka pala. So? Thank you for the thumbs up. Yes, guys. Oh, sige. Gusto mo ito. Karitaan sa'yo dito na nainis na. Kaya doon na lang ninyo, kabi. Hotdog. Ha? Kalog-kalog. Ayaw mo na dito. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi. Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay. Okay? What okay means? Okay? Okay, what? Oradan po pala. Yes, thank you for the... Halog ka. Then, because you know you're my miracles. Parang ginawa kong salamin yung... Thank you for the English guide. Guys, English please. Cause you know you're my miracle. I want to sing. You want me to sing? Cause you know you're my miracle. English, please. Oh my god, it's so cold. Alright, mom. Ikaw ka na, nanaw ka na. No, asus. Ano na?
Mama, ulit mo na pansit kanto.
Oh, sige. Gawin mo.
Bulalo.
Ay, ayun sa to. Pansit kanton. Ay, sa to na mga ano. Kaya may ito na ano. Mayutay ka sa to. Thank you for. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po.
Ito lang. Okay lang. Ako na lang.
Kaya mo? Wait lang. Tapos na?
Mama, ulit ako dito. Ay, bakit?
Ha? Thank you for 16 people. Hi, Doc. Thank you for joining. Banana and coffee for breakfast. Yeah. Banana and coffee. Oh my God. Good combination. Good combination. Cause you know you're my America. Your son feeling better, yeah? He's feeling better now. Ayaw namin. Ayaw mo na ako na mabutang. Butang mo lang mo ito sa gilid. Samahan ka na?
Ha?
Pa. Nagalog si Tiyang. Nagalog.
Opo, nagkalita kami kahapon.
Doon na. Adiho. Ako na yun to. Tigbayan ka na. Sino pa? Tiyang lang?
Sira kasi nag-ugas ka naman.
Yeah, he's feeling better. Oh. That's good. Thank you, Doc. Good night. Down, 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 down. Thank you for the thumbs up. Mahal ka ng iba at sa akin ay ayaw mo. Just around, just around. Cause I know where we go. You said that you You already did Zumba, yeah. I'm already there. I'm already there. Zumba. Thank you for the likes. I need some play. Another Zumba. Zumba. Thank you for watching. Good. Hi, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Ay, wait lang. Come to America. Come to America. Come to America. What? With me, my love. Ginario. Are you American? Saan Zumba? Are you exercising or dancing? Dancing. Exercise. Dancing. I love the Philippines. Hi, Stephen. I love the Philippines. Thank you for the love of the Philippines. Yeah. Thank you for watching. 59 people here. I've been there. 20 times? Really? Where? Here in the Philippines. Go, go. Thank you. Ano sinasabi? You are very sexy. I'm not sexy, I'm just thin. The tabo. Like tabo. Yahoo! Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.
Pag nagdito na nito, butang ko na ito na flavor. Yung ganito yung medyo side-side ang sila. Papaduro lang sila. Pag gusto kahit ano, ano ka pa?
Total is 3 times more effective at fighting bacteria, a key root cause of many preventable issues. With its new formula, 100% of
Thank you for watching. Oh my God. Gab. bigas ka dito.
Ayan mo.
Ganyan.
Magkaraon na kami. Bigas din. May nagagawin ko may bigas din sa ano balay. May nagagawin ko may bigas din sa balay. May bigas sa nagagawin ko may bigas. Kira ini gabdo ah. Pwede ka ano sa inyo. Kaya ano ka. Bitaw wala. Mali kasi. Baka naman si Baka naman si Papa nito na ito. Wala nga, mag-gate na nag-i-insay mo. 35.
Hi, thank you for watching. Paki likes guys at the top. Thank you so much.
39 na nga.
Ito na magkaan.
Ako muna. Serious ako.
Didi ka na, didi lang. Bagay man, di lang maubos. Magdara kasi sa inyo lang. Didi forward. I keep hitting the like button over and over. Thank you, Doc. Ano ba dyan? Ano? Balik-balik yung ano? Ano? Kumahang ka, din si Baralik-balik. Balik. Why some? Some? Why? What happened? Samuel? Kumusta? Kumusta din? Thank you for watching, guys. No. Thank you for watching everyone. Ayan. Pahinga muna, pahinga. Hi, si Paz, si Paz. Si Paz, si Paz. Bye, si Paz, si Paz. Hola, buenas noches. Hermosa Omega. Hi. Buenas noches. Your coffee probably cold. Yeah, probably getting cold, the coffee. Keep comments. What means keep comments? Love. 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 Thank you for 50 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the 50 million here. Thank you so much, everyone. How are you, everyone? Getting popular, Cheryl. Why? How I wish. D. Don D. RS Preciosa Mercy. Thank you so much. Preciosa. Thank you so much for the 40 million here. Where are you from? Dami lang. Grabe naman. Ay. Done.
Kids need help to catch up on eye growth.
Thank you so much for watching. 20 people here.
Formula with this advantage. Clinically proven to help deliver faster height growth in as early as 3 weeks. Unleash the Ascenda effect. Hello, aloe. Hello, smoothness. Now with 2 times aloe vera concentrate in the new Palm Olive Naturals. Correct the 24-hour smooth hair. Try the new Palm Olive Naturals.
Wee wee. Go, Cheryl, go. Thank you, dog. Oh my God. Laban yan. Looking good. Thank you. Ah, thank you, old man. Thank you for watching me again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Dawn. I'm tired. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Yes. Exercise every morning. Dance workout. Zumba dance. It helps. Good workout. Yeah. Good workout. Guys, hit the like. Thank you for the likes, everyone here. Thank you for watching 24, 27. Thank you so much. I don't understand your language. It's a Russian language. Can you translate it in English? Thank you so much. I don't understand Hindi language. You said you're eating worms. Ah, this is not a worm. It's just a pancet. What are you doing today? I'm doing Zumba today. What? What the hell? Oh my god. Why what the hell? It's a noodle, not a worm. It's a noodle. Noodles. What language is the rosters? Bicol language. Tiktilaok, she said. Tiktilaok. Bicol. Marata na. Marata na. Manok said. Oh, tiktilaok. He said, wake up. It's time to wake up. Yeah. Wake up. Gising. Tiktilaok. The roster said, roster mad. Maybe some are still sleeping. You need to wake up. Don't feel lazy. You need to work. Get up. Yes, get up. Get up. Go, go, go. You need to wake up. Get up. Get up. Come on, guys. Come on. Yes, I know. You need to clean the room. Be high. Very good, Dad. Very good, Dad. 21 people. Thank you so much for watching. 32 likes. Why he's getting mad? Yeah, the rooster is getting mad. So what? I don't care. Get mad, rooster. Shut up. Shut up. See, I love, I like, I love you. I don't care. Roster said, you lazy. I don't care. Lazy. The roster said, you're lazy. I don't care. Wait. I need to wait. I need somebody who can love me at my way. Wait, I need to code this. I don't care, you lost. So what? Hello, hi Golden. Good morning, my sweet daughter. Good morning. Thank you, sweet daughter. Shri. Hi. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but thank you for joining here. Hi, Golden. Thank you for joining here again. Where is she about to go? Zumba. Hi, grow that. Feed the dog. The eating shoes. He said I'm going back to bed. Okay. The dog eating the shoes. The dog eating the shoes. The dog. No, that not. Which country? Yeah. I'm from Philippines. That dog. Boki, Boki, Boki. Anong pangalan niyan? Boki, Boki. Feed the dog. I don't know how the dog here he is. That's not our dog. Why the dog so skinny? I don't know why. Maybe the owner of the dog did not feed the dog, their dog. That's why the dog came here. Philippines, nice. My friend has a wife from Philippines. Where are you from, Boki? Poor dog, yeah, poor dog. Give it food. I have no food. This is my food. She's super nice and very polite. Oh wow, that's great. Oh my god. Very polite. I think I'm not. Give it something. The dog is not here now. The dog is go away. I am from Switzerland. Hi, Bookie from Switzerland and religious. Wow, that's good. How old are you, Bookie? Are you married? Having a happy family? Uh, uh, yes. Go feed the dog. Okay, I'm going. Choo-choo. Pet. Oh, the dog is not coming. I want dog outside. Maybe going home. The dog going home. Poor dog, the poor dog. I have four beautiful daughters. Yes, I am married. Wow, that's great. Oh my god, you are. Oh my god. Not married. I'm not married. Okay, poor. Are you a dog lover dog? Hello, beautiful Quintin. Hi, Quintin. Thank you for the likes, guys. The likes. Thank you for the likes. Very, very adult. Ah, okay. Wow, that's great. You know my boss. She's a dog lover. She's so sweet. She's single. She have a dog. She buy a food dog on supermarket. Expensive food for dogs. Are you Sheryl Ohm? No, I'm not a dog lover. I'm not. I'm not animal lover. But I'm not harm with the animals. I'm not hurt them. Just I don't like. Yes. Yeah. I feed them, but I'm not dog are sweet. Yeah. Yeah, I know. And give you love. Yeah, but when I'm I want to have a pet at home, but no space at home. Where he live here? So small. Hello girl. Hi Jefferson Salvati Paula. Because dog need a shelter, they need to feed food, but I think I can't do it because um so small. Yeah, so small. What? Yes, so small. Oh, poor dog. Oh, so small. Shut up. Shut up. And dance with me. Thank you for the likes. You think that I'm going on? Oh my god. Rooster awake, yes. The rooster awake. Thank you, Old Man Live 50. Thank you for joining here again. Thank you so much. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. That be a video for sure. For sure. Oh my.
Ano na yung sipay? Ano? Nagpa-black-blacks kami. Ano? Hindi na kasi ganyan.
Relax na yan. You are feeling better. Yes, my son is feeling better now. Tomorrow he going to school. I like big. Oh my god. I don't like big dogs. I like. I don't like. Thank you for the likes. I picked them up. Okay, go ahead. I like babies. Really? Go. Oh, you. Thank you for the happiness. They cry when you stop. They cry when I stop. Why? Hi, good morning, Lems Layups. Hi, good morning. How are ya? Thank you. They do cry when I stop picking them up. Ah, wow. Pop up on the cell. You should try. If I have a comfortable home, I would try. But now, not possible.
Oh, nakalag mo si Kuya ko.
Or a cat. I don't like a cat. You look like a cat girl. Meow. Meow. Really? Meow. Meow. Er, ang dami mangga. Angga. Angga. Meow. Meow, meow. Oh my gosh. I need somebody who can love me like no rest. Things just pop in the head of us. Pure eyes. What plan for the day? Plan for the day is I need to wash the clothes. Oh my god, the clothes, clean the room, cook food for lunch, and clean the house. Di ko alam kung tama ba ito. Isang upang maintindihan mo. Maybe a nap? Yeah. After work, I took a nap. Sometimes just not just it's not a nap because I sleep in the afternoon. After lunch, I sleep maybe 3 hours. It's not enough. It's sleeping. Uh, Pipilitin kong kalimutan ka. Hanggang dito na lang pilit ko mong ipaglaban ang ating pagmamahal. That's a good nap. Yeah, good nap. Are you married to old man lives? I think you have a happy lifestyle. Your happy life. I think you have a happy family. Wow, that's great. Thank you for the eating people and for the likes. Thank you for the likes for eating. I am blessed. Wow, that's great. Lucky one. You're the lucky one. Not always been this way. Yeah, but at least you are at this happy life. Yep. But I'm thankful. Yes. thankful and grateful. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. Di ko na kaya ang mga pa mong iba. Pagkat ikaw lang ang tanging sinasamba. Ang hanggang kapag kapiling ka, bawat sandali, hanggang gising ka.
Kuya ko kita. Ayan.
I need to end the live because I need to clean the home, wash the clothes. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again tonight here. See you next live. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you all.